Here's how to play Valorant on MacBook. First is you have to make sure that you're going to restart your computer first because you can't access or install any application if there are running backgrounds to your computer. Afterwards, go to Utilities section and go and click on the Startup Security utility. Afterwards, click on the Safari options and then you will be able to see there the Startup Security utility where authentication is needed. Then enter your MacBook password. After entering your MacBook password, you will be redirected on the page on the Safari where you are now going to install the Windows. And then once you install Windows to your MacBook, you can now go ahead and download the Valorant and open it to your Riot Games file. And now you can go ahead and enjoy playing Valorant to your MacBook. Make sure that you install Windows first to your MacBook to install the Valorant game on your MacBook.